Australia, the smallest continent and one of the largest countries on Earth, lying between the Pacific and Indian Oceans in the southern hemisphere. Australia is a land of dreams. From the sacred legends of the Aboriginal Dreamtime, when the great spirits conjured the coral reefs, rainforests, and scorched red deserts, to armchair travelers who describe Australia as their dream destination. Welcome back to my channel. Today we are looking into top 5 beautiful places in Australia. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. Number 5. Lake Hillier, located in Western Australia, one of the prettiest and most unique places to visit in Australia. Lake Hillier is a saline lake located off the coast of Western Australia, and it is memorable because of its pink-colored sand. There is a long shore that separates the lake from the Southern Ocean, and the lake itself is roughly 2,000 feet long and 820 feet wide. If you view the lake from the air, you'll get the best view of it, and don't expect its beautiful pink color to go away anytime soon, because it is permanent. There are many forms of life near the lake, including the red algae that helps produce the pink color, and since 2002, it has been considered a wetland. This means you won't be able to stay in the area for long, only visit and look at it via one of the many daily plane trips there. Number 4. Maria Island National Park, Tasmania. One of the most unique and stunning places to visit in the country. Located off the east coast of Tasmania, this national park is accessible with a simple ferry ride and offers beautiful scenery, amazing marine life, and tons of amazing Australian animals such as parrots, gulls, geese, and wombats, among others. You can even find a few snakes as well, including lowland copperheads and tiger snakes. There are plenty of places to walk and set up to barbecue, but other than this, it is quite rustic. In fact, there aren't even places to shop here, so you have to rely on your love of nature to help you enjoy the place. On the western side of the island, the Painted Cliffs are one of Maria Island's more memorable spectacles, showcasing the power of nature and their weathered contours, where the combination of wind and waves has eroded the sandstone to reveal a striking facade. Maria Island is a special place where long sandy beaches, turquoise water, mountaintop vistas, abundant wildlife and a multi-layered human history come together to create a perfect island destination. Number 3. Lady Elliot Island, Queensland. A barrier island where the reef meets the shore. Covering roughly 110 acres, Lady Elliot Island consists of a small eco-resort and lots of coral reefs. The island boasts lots of things to see, including turtles, whales, a lighthouse, and tons of birds. It's one of the most beautiful places to visit in Australia, especially if you love nature and wish to take time out from your hectic tourist schedule and just relax for a while. Number 2. Sydney Opera House and Harbour, one of the most famous and photographed places in Australia. This is a very beautiful man-made site in Australia and one where most visitors start and end their journey to Oz. The 240 kilometers long shoreline of Sydney Harbour is lined with parklands and gardens. The bright blue water with white sailing boats afloat is set off by the background of the aesthetically shaped Sydney Opera House and the Sydney Harbour Bridge. See this tranquil sight from a ferry boat tour or from the top of the Sydney Tower. Number 1. Whitehaven Beach and the Whitsundays. One of the world's most beautiful beaches. If you'd love to spend time on a beautiful white sandy beach along Whitsunday Island, Whitehaven Beach is where you need to go. You'll need to hop on a seaplane, a boat, or a helicopter to get there, but it's well worth your time, because it is more than 4 miles of beautiful coastline. Complete with barbecue and camping sites, the beach has turquoise-colored water that will make you want to dive right in, and white silica sand that is perfect for sunbathing, or just plain relaxing. The type of sand there doesn't retain heat, so you can walk on it all day long and not burn your feet. Here is the end of video. Comment below yours most beautiful place in Australia. Like this video and please subscribe. Thanks.